Hi there, baby Bear.
There's Bear.
Hi.
There's Bear.
Can I sit in my chair?
Oh. I think you're right.
I didn't say anything yet.
I'm just trying to save time.
Sunsets like a tangerine. Let's find a road we've never seen. Life is short, make it sweet.
Morning.
Morning.
Cheers. I
Cheers.
love you. Cheers, everybody. Good morning.
Howdy.
Happy Saturday. We hope you have a happy Saturday. We're having a happy Saturday. And guess what?
It's windy. Or we would be outside.
Yeah.
Because the temperature's not bad out there. It feels pretty good. It's in the 60s.
Oh.
But it's supposed to drop back down to about 45 to 50 by about noon today. And
nice.
These winds are just horrendously idiotic. They're calling for gusts of 60 miles an hour, and in the wind-prone areas where we are along 95, over 70 mile an hour gusts for the next 10 to 12 hours.
Woohoo! Hold on. It's just been one of those winters.
It's just been windy
everywhere.
From the get-go.
Everywhere. Yesterday was beautiful.
Oh man.
It was nice.
Perfect
It
day.
wasn't windy.
Perfect day.
Yeah.
Holy cow.
That is kind of how it goes here in northern Nevada.
It's how it goes anywhere we've been.
Well, that's true. Well, I mean, with the weather changing like that.
Anywhere we've been
That's true.
this winter.
This is true. This is true. Well, thank you everybody for being here and watching today. We appreciate you. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so and then click the bell to make sure that you get notified when we put out a new video. If you've already been subscribed and you haven't clicked that bell yet, and you say, I never know when you guys are putting up a video, click the bell. And give us a thumbs up at the end of the video if you liked it or not. Even if you didn't like it, give us a thumbs up anyway, right? It doesn't hurt you. It doesn't cost any money. Share this with anybody you want to torment and leave a comment. First thing first, we had a birthday in the family on Tuesday. Tom's brother Mike had a birthday. Happy birthday, Mike!
Yay, Mikey!
We miss you.
You're catching up with me.
We'll never catch up to him, will we? Mike's just a year older than me. Mike got to celebrate his birthday and the days around it with tornado threats.
Yeah, it was horrible in Oklahoma, Kansas, Iowa, some places in Missouri, Texas.
Checked in on our
Nebraska.
friend Pam.
Whew.
She had posted a picture of a tornado. She didn't take it. It was from the TV station.
She lives in Joplin.
Joplin, Missouri. And I messaged her to make sure that she was doing okay. And she's lived in Missouri, her whole life?
Pretty much, I think right there in Joplin.
I mean, she was a kid.
Yeah.
She was a kid when you were a DJ there.
Oh my God, here we go.
I
grew up listening to you.
Yeah.
How many times have I heard that?
Pam and I are the same age, and we like the same music, and so we would have been both little groupies of Tom's when he was a DJ in Joplin, Missouri.
Boy.
But anyway, so she's lived there, and she's never seen a tornado. She's always smart and is down in a shelter and not outside going, "Ooh, look, there's the tornado over there."
She hears the sirens and runs to the Frady hole really fast.
Yep, so that's good, Pam. That way you stay safe. We're glad that you are still here, because you had a tornado hit her house, right? When we were...
I don't remember.
I think we were in
2011.
Fresno.
It was the really bad tornado. I think it did. I don't remember.
Yeah. I don't know. Let us know in the comments below, Pam, if your house got hit by the tornado. I think it did.
Just about everybody's house did in Joplin that
your old
year.
one had...
flattened it.
Yep. Yeah, because we drove by and it was just nothing
gone.
there. Yeah. So, last Saturday after we chatted with you, you did some video stuff. We watched a baseball game and the Cardinals actually won. And
they don't win very many anymore, so yay!
Yeah, we don't get to say that's a winner very often. So I did some of my diamond art and some cards. So, and then Sunday was a travel day. Excuse me. It was a travel day. We left Tonopah and headed to Hawthorne.
For one night. We just decided we would boondock on a 76 Fueling station, parking lot, big truck area, and we parked way off into the corner away from the truck, so we didn't take up a space or anything like that. And it was actually fairly quiet.
Yeah, it was.
Nice little overnight spot in Hawthorne.
That worked for us and didn't cost us anything.
And then we
right?
dumped tanks at Miller's Rest Area, which is on the other side of
It's north of Tonopah.
Tonopah. That was before we got to Hawthorne.
Yeah,
And
that's right. We did that first.
Yeah, and it's a free dump station, and they do have water there, potable water. So that's good.
Yeah. Yeah, we didn't fill up with water there, though, because
No.
we didn't want to carry that with us.
Yeah, we didn't want the extra weight.
So we
had a little bit of water in the tanks.
Right.
That's all we
Right,
need.
for Hawthorne. And then we knew we were going to get some when we arrived in Yerington,
Yeah.
which was the next day. On Monday, we left Hawthorne and came here to Yerington to the drive-in. And we got water at the new RV park called Whispering River Park Ranch. Whispering River Ranch RV Park.
Brand new in Yerington.
Yeah, really
Brand
nice.
new within the last year.
Super nice people. Yeah, we met them. Well, we met them in the autumn when we were here in town on our way through. So they let us use a dump station at just one of the sites that they have. They don't have a designated dump station for that. But we got water there, not dump.
Yeah.
So, but they don't have a designated dump or water station. But you can get it there for $10.
Yeah.
So we filled up with water, came to the site, and
It's fine.
yep. And then Tuesday we had a double header of baseball all day, which is awesome.
So that's all we did was watch baseball all
That
day.
is until Dave arrived.
Yeah.
So Dave's here at the drive-in.
Our
with us.
endeavor.
Yep. So he's here. He came a day early, I think, than what he expected
Yeah.
or what we expected. It was like I was checking on him because he and Dawn from Cowboy Bikers Adventures and me are all on Life 360 together, and so we kind of keep an eye on where we all are. And was just out of curiosity wondering where Dave went because he had stayed at Miller's the night before, and we figured he'd stop in Hawthorne, his 70-mile rule. So we thought that he would stay in Hawthorne for the night. Next thing you know, I see him like driving down the road almost here. I said, "Oh, Dave's here." Dave's here, and here he comes pulling in. So it's we haven't visited with him too much. We've just been kind of busy with stuff, but we have visited with him a little bit, and
Oh yeah.
definitely today and tomorrow we'll get our visits in with him because I believe it'll be the last time we'll see him for quite a while.
Yep.
He's headed east.
Yep.
Eventually, he's going up north
Eventually.
to Bend and then across over east. So it'll be a while. And 70 miles a day going all the way to the East Coast. It's going to take him a long time to get there and to get back. So Wednesday we watched a day baseball game again, and
You made some delicious stuff to eat.
I had it smelling like the holidays in here. I
Oh
made
my
some
gosh.
cranberry bread.
Mm.
I still had cranberries. Cranberries last a long time, and so I still had some.
They
in
don't
the
last
fridge.
very long, realistically. Once you put them in bread.
Yeah, I was gonna say not when I bake them in something. They don't. Where are you going?
It was delicious.
So I made a few little loaves, and I've got a couple in their freezer. Gave one to Dave, and so we will have that for breakfast today too.
Yummy.
I like to toast it up, melt butter on it. You did some music and video stuff,
Yep.
and then we visited with Dave. Thursday was basically a work day. We
For
both
both
worked.
of us, pretty
Yep.
much, yeah.
I worked. You had a meeting, and then you did some music work. And Dave went to Walmart up in Fernley because he met up with Bonnie on her way down
Yes.
delivering or doing some livestock stuff. And so I placed my order on the app, and he just picked it up
Picked it
with
up.
his because he did the same thing. I'm beginning to love that.
You know, it'll be great. It just about, I mean, it's gonna put a lot of miles on Dave's truck once he starts going east. But every time that you place an order, he's gonna pick it up for us and bring it right to us.
I know, that's pretty cool.
I love that
Delivery.
system.
Yeah. Yeah. So it has been handy not to go into Walmart, and he does it too. Well, I think he actually did go into Walmart and do his big shopping this time because there's some stuff.
But he uses it most of the time.
He does use it most of
Yeah.
the time. They have the order ready for you. So if you ever shop Walmart, and if you don't and you don't like Walmart, please don't rag on us about it. It's just a consistent store. That's where I have my.
I hate
He hates Walmart. He hates it.
And
Anyway,
my mom worked for him for 18 years in the 70s,
Yeah.
60s, and 70s, and it's like,
it makes it nice for me for my prescriptions because Tom gets his through the mail. But it makes it nice for me because I can transfer my prescriptions within the Walmart system easily. They have the products that we're used to getting. Anyway,
on and on.
on and on. I like Walmart, and I'm beginning to really like the order on the app thing and pick it up.
Okay, so Friday,
Hey! There was no baseball on Thursday, so yesterday morning we both worked again, and in the afternoon we got to go have some fun.
yes, we did. We got to meet a viewer of ours, a subscriber that actually lives here in Yerington.
We met up with Debbie, and we went and had pie. So we wanted a place where we could go and just kind of sit down and chat for a while, and so
Yeah.
we went to this little casino that has a cafe in it, and it was pretty good. And we had a wonderful visit with this
was
sweet,
awesome.
sweet lady, Debbie. So thank you, Debbie, for reaching out
Yes.
and
She
hanging
reached
out
out
with
on
us.
she reached out on our Facebook page, the Tom and Lori, the group page actually, the Tom and Lori RV Life group page on Facebook, and that's how we ended up getting together. So you can reach us on Instagram, Facebook, through YouTube, direct email if you're near where we are and you want to get together. We would love to meet you at just about any point. Pretty much we have time.
And
you
have
know.
pie. No,
Yeah,
I'm just kidding. It's not necessary.
yeah, it is.
Oh, well, we had a wonderful visit with Debbie. We're sorry that Mike couldn't make it. Hopefully he's
Yeah.
feeling better. But it was great. She reached out to us and we got to meet up with her.
Yeah.
So thank you. So if anybody, we're pretty much real time on Saturdays.
Yeah.
So you kind of know where we are, maybe where we're headed. And we would love to meet you.
Yeah, just keep in mind, the What Up Wednesday videos do run behind anywhere from a week to as many as 2.5 to 3 weeks behind where we actually are. So,
Yeah. Our Saturdays are not live, but they are pretty much real time. And then we watched baseball, and the Cardinals actually won. So
They won another game.
Started the week off winning, and they won yesterday's game.
wasn't that great during the middle of the week, but the beginning and the end of the week was pretty good.
Yep. Well, they actually won one of the
That's
doubleheader
okay.
games.
They're not winning squat this year again.
We just love
It's
watching.
just not going to happen.
We love watching. And now MLB has where you can watch the AAA and AA.
The farm clubs.
Yeah, so we've actually picked up a little bit of the
Yeah, Memphis Redbirds.
yeah, there's quite a few of the Cardinals that are playing down there on their rehab stints. So
Yeah.
but it's baseball season, yay. Yay. We done?
I guess.
Well, we just talked about Friday. There is a baseball game coming on pretty soon.
Okay, here's what I need to talk about. We are in Yerington, and the reason we're here and still making our 70 to 100 mile jaunts slowly toward our resting place for the summer in Reno, this weekend, not only is it windy here, but it is windy all over Nevada. It doesn't matter where you are. But Reno, yeah.
It's supposed to snow.
Reno, Cold Springs, north of Reno, where we're going to be, is expecting, count it, 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 4 inches of snow tonight.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
That's why we're still in Yerington.
That's not the only reason. We have a
Pretty much it is now.
We have a reservation coming up that we were supposed to be enjoying a week with Bob and
Yeah,
Pearl.
but they got a late start out of Yuma, so.
Yeah.
But that's coming up next week.
Okay.
Anyway,
All right, everybody. We hope that you had a wonderful week and that you have a wonderful week coming up.
It's still winter and I'm still... Hey!
You're still old.
Doggone it!
Tom's still old.
Oh, he's going to rip the shirt.
It's not. I'll fix it. I'll
It's an
take it
old
off
shirt,
of
so why not?
there. That's your cold shirt.
Now we're done.
Now we're done. Have a great week, everybody. See ya.
Take your banner and raise it to the sky.
Oh. Turn around and look at Mommy.
Here, Bear. KK. Haley. Here, Bear.
You're such a funny girl. You're such a funny girl.
They just want breakfast.
You just want food. One wants food and the other one wants food.